This image shows the Hydra's succession. That is, the stages shown in this Hydra's succession. It is called hydroseal. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Hydroseal. Hydroseal. Don't types. These are the two types of this succession. Hydroseal and geroseal. Hydroseal is the stages which are starts which are shown in the Hydra succession. Stages in the Hydra succession that are called hydroseal. And in this succession begins in the water, like pond water, or river water, sea water, or lakes. This succession that begins from the phytoplankton stage, that is invasion, that is nudation stage. Then next stage is after phytoplankton stage. Next stage will start, that is floating stage. Then submerged stage, floating stage. Then reed swam stage, mid marsh meadow stage. Then woodland stage, and last one is forest stage. In this way, the plant will grow starting from the phytoplankton stage, and it ends with the forest stage. This is a hydroseal, the succession in the that begins in the water, that is called hydra succession. And the stages that is shown in this image, that succession is known as hydroseal. Hydroseal. That plants will grow in a water. Second succession is a geroseal. That are called geroseal. The succession that begins in the dry condition. Now we're going to see geroseal. That means Gerard's succession. The succession or plant succession that begins in the dry condition, that is called Gerard's succession. त्याला काय म्हणतात? आता आपण पाहिलंय Hydra's succession. Okay. So the succession begins in the dry condition. आता आपण in underwater, how the succession that begins from the phytoplankton stage to forest stage, that is in the water. So Gerard's succession is that will start that begins in the dry condition. Succession beginning in a dry condition, that is in a dry condition this succession will start. And the stages in this Gerard's succession that are known as geroseals. In Hydra's succession we call it as hydroseal. In Gerard's succession that is called as geroseals. So this is an image that shows the geroseal various stages of this Gerard's succession. Herb stage, moss stage, Christoph lichen stage. These are the various stages in the geroseal. Climatic climax tree stage. In this also there are various stages are there, as you have seen the Hydra succession. So in the Gerard succession, there are various stages are shown. Stages in Jurassic. The first stage is the Christophe-Lichen stage. So succession that begins with in a dry condition. So in this first stage is Christophe-Lichen stage. In this Christophe-Lichen are the pioneers of the Gerard succession. These are the primary successions. Pioneers means primary committee that will form. It is called pioneers. So in this, how these plants, how these committees form. So this type of plants that will grow on a bare rocks. These grow on a bare rocks. On a bare rock, these plants will grow. So they tolerate extreme deficiency of water, nutrients, high light intensity, and high temperature. So these plants that will grow on a bare rocks. The examples of these Christophe-Lichens are the Rhizocarpon, then Rhinodina, Laconora. These are some names of these Christophe-Lichens that will grow on the rocks. So this plant that will grow on the rocks. So this plant that may grow in a due to deficiency of water or due to high light intensity, high temperature. So the spores and sordia or fragments of this lichen migrates to these plants, crystal lichen, that may migrate to rocks through air. Through air, these plants that may migrate to rocks. So these lichens obtain minerals from the rock by secretion of carbonic acids. So these plants that may obtain the minerals from the rocks by secretion of the carbonic acids. So these minerals that may dissolve on rock surfaces and loosens the rock particles. So these plants that may grow on rocks. So after this Christophe-Lichen stage, after replacement of these plants, new plants will grow. These Christophe-Lichens are gradually replaced by new plants that are called foliose lichens. When some amount of soil forms on the rock surface, then these plants will grow in next stage. The third stage la काय म्हणायचं? Foliose lichen stage. The new plants that will grow. So that plants are foliose lichens that may develop on the rock partially covered by soil particles. When on that soil particles, these plants will grow. So the names of these foliose lichens are the Parmelia, Dermatocorpon. These are the names of these plants. So these plants will grow after the decaying of the Kushtos lichen plants. So therefore, this stage is called foliose lichen stage. So after the decaying of this foliose lichen stage, new plants that will grow in the moss stage. In moss stage, new plants that may grow in this new plants that may grow that are called the names of these plants are Polytrichum, Funaria, Bram, etc. These are the names which names of plants that will grow in the moss stage. The foliage lichens which are completely replaced by these new plants. So in this moss stage, there is a rapid degradation of the rock, and new plants are which will grow, that will grow in the soil. So again, in moss stage, these plants again that are replaced by the new plants. In next stage, after moss stage, herb stage will start. After replacement of these mosses or these moss plants, new plants that will grow. In this herb stage, herbs are there is a growth of the herbs. The seeds of the xerophytic plants like grasses brought by wind or birds germinate and grow with mosses. So in this herb stage, there is a growth of herbs. After disintegration of the rocks and formation of the soil further increases, then these plants will grow in herb stage. Like the herbs. After herb stage, next stage is shrub stage. Like the shrubs. After replacement of these herbs, shrubs will grow. In this stage, the shrubs will establish after replacement of the herbs. Again, in this stage, there may be changes due to changes in the climate that may unfit for the herbs. So under this new climate, new plants will grow that will be suitable for the growth of these shrubs. So again, there will be changes in the climate. Due to change in the climate, if the climate becomes cooler and soil becomes more fertile, there may be replacement of these shrubs by trees. After the shrub stage, new stage begins, that is forest stage. Forest stage. Last stage का है forest stage. So in this forest stage, complete growth of the plant that may occur. In this stage, some xerophytic trees invade. So in this forest stage, there are different plants that will grow. Forest floor is covered by some of the bryophytes, ferns, shade. So these herbs, shrubs, and climbers that are replaced by these trees. And And after this forest stage, new communities form. The last stage is the climax community. After establishment of the this plant community, they will get stabilized. त्याला काय म्हणतात क्लायमॅक्स. लास्ट स्टेज इज क्लायमॅक्स. त्या इमेजेस मध्ये दाखवले पहा वेरियस स्टेजेस. हे बघा फर्स्ट स्टेज इज क्रुस्टॉल लिचन स्टेज ते दाखवले. त्यानंतर आहे मॉस स्टेज. यामध्ये प्लांट्स इथे जे प्लांट्स वाढलेले ते दाखवले पहा. पुन्हा रॉक्स. then herb stage इथे दाखवले. ते झाडे ते starting from the rock how they will grow they showed from the initial stage. त्याला काय म्हणायचं that is known as crystal lichen stage. forest stage पर्यंत starting from crystal lichen stage to forest stage. ते दाखवले पहा arrow that shows the various stages of this xerosphere. दाखवले पहा xerosphere stages in Gerard's succession. Final stage काय forest stage. ते आता आपण पाहतो. Last stage is forest stage. Then last one is climatic climax. इथे दाखवले पहा climatic climax. Climatic climax tree stage. Okay, this image shows the climatic climax tree stage. In this stage, competition among the different plants that will start, group of plants that will start. So these plants that will adjust with the environment, they will survive for a certain period. Again, stabilization will occur, stabilization of the community. That community becomes stable community. That is called climax community. त्याला काय म्हणायचं climax community. So this is a diagrammatic representation of the xerosphere. त्या image में दाखवले पहा. First stage is a lichen stage, crystal lichen stage. The outer area is a rock. बरोबर आहे. तिथे आतमध्ये दाखवले पहा lichens. And the next stage, first stage is crystal lichen stage. Second stage is moss stage. Next stage is the trees are shown, grasses, shrub stage. Then herb stage is shown. Then finally forest stage is shown, trees. This is a diagrammatic representation of this Gerard succession that is shown in this image. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the various stages starting from lichen stage. 1 lichen stage. Second stage is moss stage. And herb stage, shrub stage, then forest stage. Trees 4. The various stages are shown in the xerosphere. समजलं Hadras succession and Gerard succession दोन्ही मध्ये डिफरन्स कळाला. Hadras succession that begins in the water, in Gerard succession that begins in the dry condition. कशामध्ये ग्रोथ होते रॉक मध्ये. Rock is a dry. On a dry rock the plants will grow. And the stages in the xerosphere that we have seen now, starting from crystal lichen stage to forest stage. This is the hydrosphere and xerosphere. These are the two types of succession, in water and in dry condition. समजलं दोन्ही मध्ये डिफरन्स. Okay, here we'll stop. समजलं का? या दोन्हीमध्ये काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? हायड्रोसिल, जिओरोसिल, these are the plant succession. समजलं नसेल तर विचारा. Any problem in this? Okay. Here we'll stop. Everyone give attendance in chat box.